In today's video, I'll show you one of the best websites to turn any image from your computer into a shareable link or even an embed code for your website. The best part is, it's completely free and doesn't require you to sign in. You'll find the website link in the description below. Once you open the site, simply click on the cloud upload icon. You'll see the supported file types listed below it. Now, select the image you want to upload, and a preview of your image will appear instantly. Next, click on Upload. But note that the first link you see isn't the one you need. Click on Embed Code, and under the Direct Links section, next copy the link and share link to anyone. Open your browser and paste the link, hit enter. You will see the image that you can create link. It's that easy. You can now turn any photo into a quick shareable link in seconds. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.